What you cooking?
Just grub.
Come on. What you cooking?
Fine. Hot Pocket.
Did you hear that? It was like a dramatic bass drop.
No, dude. You're tripping.
What was that?
What are you talking about? You should get some sleep, dude. Go get some sleep.
Yeah. I'm gonna do that. What's going on? What's going on here? Hey, what are you doing? So it was you. The whole time. It's been you.
Yes. It was me. Me that made pouring that cup of water awesome. Me that played the sitcom laugh when you dropped that game disc on the floor. I'm making your life better than it has ever been. You should thank me.
Enough! And stop that dang bass drop sound. My gosh.
Now that time it wasn't me.